Hi, everyone. This is Kaitlin Booth, Collection Development Coordinator for Akron Summit County Public Library. And today I'm going to show you how you can change the pickup location of an item that you have on hold. So we're going to start in Aspen, which you can get to from our website or by going directly to catalog.akronlibrary.org. Over here on the right-hand side, I'm going to click on Sign In. So you can sign in using the 14-digit barcode that's on the back of your library card, or if you've previously set up a username in Aspen, you can sign in using that username as well, plus your PIN, which defaults to the last four of your phone number, but you might have changed it along the way. So now that I'm in, I'm going to come right over here to Titles on Hold. Click on that. I'm going to find the title that I want to change. And on the right where it says change pickup location, I'll click there. So I have it set to be picked up at Mogador, but I'm going to click on this and select another branch and then click change location. And the pickup location of my hold has been changed. Now, if you want to change the default holds pickup location going forward, you can come over here on the left where it says account settings, click that, click on your preferences. And you can change your home library if you want, but what you actually need to look at is your holds libraries down here a little bit. So you can change your preferred pickup branch, and then you can also have up to 2 alternate pickup locations. And that having these set up will sort of prioritize these branches in your search results and things like that. So you can change any or all of these. And then down at the bottom, click Update Preferences, and you're all set.